Welcome to another episode of Jumping in the Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today this is what's jumping in my pot. It's cake time again, chocolate chip, black and white bundt cake. Let's get to the ingredients. I have here mini chocolate chips, pure vanilla extract, instant vanilla pudding, powdered sugar, eggs, buttermilk, unsalted butter, granulated sugar, and of course, the flour. I'm using self-rising flour for this cake. Those are the ingredients that we will be using. I've added the softened butter to the bowl, and now I'm going to add the sugar. Let the sugar jump into the bowl. And I have a hand mixer here that I'm going to mix the sugar and the butter up together. Now that the butter and sugar has creamed up together, so the next thing we do is add the eggs. There. And mix the eggs and the sugar and butter together. Yeah, one at a time. Hey. 1 second. Now it's time for the vanilla extract to jump in the bowl. Now it's time to add the instant vanilla pudding. The flour. You add a little of the flour at a time. And slowly add some buttermilk in. You alternate between the two. Buttermilk, flour, buttermilk, flour. Now we're going to mix the rest of this by hand because we don't want to overbeat it because it'll make the cake batter tough. Now we're going to add the chocolate chips. We're going to fold the chocolate chips into the batter. I preheated my oven to 350 degrees, and I will be baking this cake for about an hour. See the batter? I have a Bundt pan here that I already greased and added a little flour to it. This is so it wouldn't stick when you're taking the cake out of the pan. There you have it. You're going to hit the bottom so the air bubbles come out. Now I'm going to put it in the oven and let it bake for an hour. While the cake is in the oven still cooking, let's make one of the glaze. I'm going to make the vanilla one now. Milk, vanilla extract, and powdered sugar. I'm going to put the powdered sugar in this bowl, add some milk and the vanilla. Then we're going to whisk it up together. I want the glaze to be a little bit thick. Now, if you add too much milk to the powdered sugar, you just have to add some more powdered sugar to the bowl. You see? Think this is good? I've just taken the cake out of the oven, and now I have a plate here where I'm going to put the cake in. First, I have a knife, and we're going to run the knife around the edges. While the cake is cooling, now I'm going to make the chocolate glaze for it. We take the chocolate bits and we put it in the microwave for about 10 seconds. There it is. All in all, it took about 35 seconds to melt. Now you add some butter to this, unsalted butter. You mix this up. The hot melted chocolate chips will melt the butter. Mix it up. There you have it. So we will come back and frost the cake after it has cooled. I've started frosting the cake with the vanilla frosting, and after I finish with this part of it, I'm going to let it set up for about 5 minutes. Then I will add the chocolate glaze. Now it's time to put the chocolate glaze on. I'm making all zigzag designs on it. Here you have it. Chocolate chip, black and white bundt cake. Now let's cut some to see how it came out. Here you have it. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. And follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and Pinterest. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.